All right, it's Thursday and it's only about 86 degrees at the moment, but apparently it's going to be a scorcher this weekend. The air conditioning works great. So we're just doing final fluffing and faffing and you know what we do. I've got my lists there from the crew telling me what I still need to do. Could not do this without them. You lot ask, how do you do it all? Well, I don't. I've got a great bloody crew. And Bridget's been around that. Well, Bridget prints and the guys stick it up, all these signs. You know, staff only, watch your step, the prices of books unless otherwise priced. And then, you know, all sales are final. I've got this runner just been added to the sale. This is a gorgeous runner to the front door. Look at that. So we have, you know, like I say, we stage logically. So kitchen items in the kitchen. It just helps everyone. The washer and dryer will stay with the house. Everything in here is for sale. The garage, we haven't finished in the garage yet. These two pieces have just been added, as so has this rug. And these outdoor lights. We haven't priced those yet. Look at these. Aren't they gorgeous? Need to be, well, cleaned up, but maybe resilvered too. I'm not sure about who. I haven't got anyone that actually does that. So if you know of anyone, let me know. Kenmore fridge and freezer is available. These guys, Swivel and Rock. It's very popular at the moment, and they're kind of a grey suede. They're so soft. Some more lights here. So everything's for sale. We've got all the power tools, the Bosch, Hitachi, DeWalt and all that. That's all for sale. Coats here, we've got some Pendleton, Land's End, Harris Tweed. And then look at these funky ones, these vintage raincoats. Just love the labels. Checkout will be in this room. As I say, apparently it's going to be like, you know, it's over 100 degrees. So Bridget and Sandy, we gotta look after them. And they're going to be doing checkout in here. And there are some items in the bathroom here too. So jewellery. There's a vinyl. Downstairs loo here, not downstairs loo, main floor loo. Items in here for sale. Everything you see is for sale. Here's the back deck, which is gorgeous. All of this is for sale. Grill. It's a pretty view, isn't it? So all of this is for sale. Along with the canoe. Cookbooks, you know, the usual stuff. Water skis, vintage water skis there for your decor. And then downstairs, there's all the cat's meow. People have been asking about those. So this is the Greenfront leather recliner. This was from Greenfront. So normally the homeowners will tell you where they bought things, you know. It's a great little room in here, isn't it? Some more nice furniture. More outdoor furniture here. Patio furniture, metal, fire pit, plant stands, Adirondack chairs. That fantastic piece. these wooden folding chairs from Dartmouth College, apparently. And then this is the fun room. Pretty self-explanatory, seasonal decor. We've got the basement girls, they'll be here. So Kate and Virginia, if you need any help, they'll be here. Oh, there's the Trump t-shirt, Trump's Castle. Apparently it's a casino, I have no idea. As I say, you never know what you find at estate sales. On the cameras, we won't price those. And then the workshop area, lots of great tools down here too. And everything is priced. Buckets, I mean everything. We try, I know you'll find something that won't be priced, but basically we try and price everything. That is our goal. A couple of pieces there stay with the house, the usual filters and things like that, but this is a pretty room. And then also telling lots of customers today, bring the children. Look at this cool room. Okay, and then another bedroom here. So that's a queen headboard and the railing, bed frame, whatever you call it. Linens in there, tablecloths, and bed skirts, and I think maybe some curtains too. All right, Saturday, 10 a.m. Remember, no sign-up sheets, no tickets, no numbers. Just queue up whenever you want, and I'll open that front door at 10 a.m. promptly. Let you all in. Cheers. Oh, and don't forget, the baker's going to be here. Artisan Baking, Valeria, the Marin family, and I've been watching her. Follow her on Instagram, Artisan Baking, and she has been cooking and baking and posting and making cakes and breads, so I can't wait for that. Cheers, guys.